Hello, friends. I took me a little bit of a social media break, and I was just relaxing. Me and Chong went to the park earlier, but this is what outside is looking like. So, hang on. So, I'm just gonna walk around my property right now and let him go pee because I'm not trying to get stuck in a bunch of rain, but I am going to go on YouTube and do a stream. So, okay. I'm gonna go on YouTube and start a stream very soon. And I'm relaxed and I'm ready for my YouTube time now. And I hope everybody's doing well. And I hope that everybody's I hope everybody's doing great and all my friends are doing well at work. And all my other friends from all the networks I have. I hope you guys are doing okay. And I guess just want to say hello. And I did do my hair. I figured maybe I needed to re-identify myself. Sometimes it's nice to fix yourself up a little. So I did do that. And I guess I don't have anything prolific to say, but I am rested up and I'm ready to start my week and stuff. So I hope everybody is doing well and in their endeavors, doing what they need to do and being happy with them, because we should always be kind to one another, because kindness is the key to a lot of things in life. So I hope everybody has a great day.